Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be assembling the Renault R35 tank, and this one will be available at miniaturetanks.com. So first up, of course, is just dry fit some of these pieces, just see how that goes. And yep, that's what you want to do. So first of all, let's go ahead and put some glue here. There you go. There's some glue for that. And then take and put that piece all together. So make sure that it's lined up like that. We're good. So it's lined up in the correct position. So just go ahead and put some more glue here. And then we're gonna put this piece on like so. Line it up like that, and that, that should be good at that point. You're good to go. Well, that's kind of drying. Now it's this moment where we can glue these pieces together. So go ahead and put some glue here. Done. So that glued down pretty good. Last but certainly not least is to put on these tracks. So go ahead and put some glue there and some glue there and like that. Then just make sure that these, well, it looks like that. That's good. Now we simply can do the same on the other side. There you go. Like so. Making sure those tracks are in the position they need to be. Put the little turret there, and there you go. There is the Renault R35, available at miniaturetanks.com, and thank you so much for watching.